Chapter 5. Movements of the Earth. Leading objectives, rotation of the Earth, revolution of the Earth, solstices. Let's begin. Students, have you seen a top spinning? Yes, I have. It spins very fast at the same point. Yes, our planet Earth also spins like a top, but it also moves around the sun at the same time. If we look at the sky, the sun appears to be rising from the east and setting in the west. Due to this, in the ancient times, it was believed that the sun revolves around the earth and the earth is fixed at one point. But now we are aware that the sun is the center of our solar system and it remains fixed at its place. Instead, the earth moves around the sun and also spins in its place at the same time. Let us study more about the movements of the earth. Rotation. The imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth from the North Pole to South Pole is called axis. The earth spins like a top on its axis. This spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth is slightly tilted on one side. This tilt causes the days to be longer in summer and shorter in winter. The earth rotates from the west to east direction. Effects of rotation. During rotation, only one half of the earth is exposed to sunlight. The other part, that is away from the sun, remains in darkness, and the part towards the sun experiences day, and the part on the opposite side experiences night. Therefore, we experience day and night due to the rotation of the earth. Fact frame. The borderline of the sunlit earth and the earth with complete darkness is called the circle of illumination. Revolution. As the earth spins on its own axis, it also keeps moving around the sun. This movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path is called revolution. The path on which the earth moves is called its orbit. All the planets in our solar system have their own fixed orbits on which they revolve around the sun. Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. Therefore, 1 year consists of 365 days. The 1/4 day gets added each year and comes after every 4 years as an extra day in the month of February. This year is known as the leap year, which has 366 days, with the month of February having 29 days. Effects of revolution. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes the change in seasons. The angle at which the sun's rays fall on the earth and the length of the days cause these changes. The seasons that are experienced on the earth are spring, summer, winter, autumn, and rainy season. The part of the earth that is tilted towards the sun receives more sunlight and observes summer season. Similarly, the part of the earth that is tilted away from the sun receives less sunlight and observes winter. During the month of June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and hence this part experiences summer. On the other hand, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun and experiences winter. Similarly, due to the movement of the earth, this tilt is inverted, and then the southern hemisphere experiences summer and the northern hemisphere experiences winter. Solstice. When the difference between the length of the day and length of the night is highest, it is called a solstice. There are 2 solstices in a year. When the North Pole is tilted closest to the sun, it is called summer solstice. It occurs on the 21st of June and marks the longest day in the northern hemisphere and longest night in southern hemisphere. When the North Pole is tilted farthest from the sun, it is called winter solstice. It occurs on the 21st of December and marks the shortest day in Northern Hemisphere and shortest night in Southern Hemisphere. Recall, the spinning movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. Day and night occur due to the rotation of the Earth. The movement of the Earth around the Sun on a fixed path is called revolution. The revolution of the Earth around the Sun causes change in seasons. Solstice occurs twice a year, summer solstice and winter solstice.